Today, I just want to recap a little gnome that I put on yesterday at the end of a video, and I felt I didn't get quite enough minutes on to show you how to make it properly. So I'm going to do a little video today on how to make the easiest peasiest gnome. So here we go. To make one of these little gnomes like this, it's really very simple. This one's all put together. Yesterday I just didn't have them even put together yet. So today they're put together. And this is how they look. And I've got 3 of them lined up right here. And I'm going to show you how to put one of them together real quick. It's real quick. These are the things that I'm going to use. I've got some flat marbles. You can order those on Amazon. You get about 5 pounds for $15, I think it is. And I'm going to use a a wooden bead for the nose, and a pom-pom for the top of his hat, and a small piece of fur. And the piece of twine just as a little embellishment around the top of the hat. And 1 pair of socks. And that's what we need to make this easiest peasiest gnome. What you want to do is take your first sock and take your marbles and put them into the bottom. Get them all in there. And then lay your sock down. Roll it right up. You get to about there with it, and you just fold your sock over to hold it all together. And then you want to take your second sock and you want to put this right down into the bottom of it. Always make sure the seam of the second sock goes across so it's nice and neat. That's what you want to do, is you want to put a knot in the top of that. Nice big knot. And that's what where you're at now. And then you want to take your sock and you want to fold it down so it's right down to the top of the knot. And it looks like that. And you want to take again and fold it one more time all the way down. So it looks like that all the way around. And then you want to fold it up, the rim of the hat, to make the rim of the hat, and make a place for the face. And then you want to take and put the beard. I cut the beard tall so that it could go up high into the hat. It's just a little piece. You don't want it to be too much laying down on the surface. About like that. And then I glue in the nose. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the top of the nose as well. Let that set up. Then what you want to do is put your pom-pom on the top. Hot glue your pom-pom right on the top. And then tie a piece of twine, which is optional, around his hat. and you have your The easiest, peasiest gnome. On these, I have a little bit of Rust-Oleum's Glitter Burst paint on the noses. If you can see that they have a little bit of glitter in the noses. That's another optional thing that you can do. But isn't that a sweet little gnome you can make so fast? I believe it's got to be really under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and don't forget to like.